Today, we're going to build a Corporate Alliance tank droid using 7 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this TECHNIC lift arm. And now in the TECHNIC lift arm, you got this hole all by itself in the back where it's sloping down. Well, in that hole, we're going to put a round 1x1 tile piece with a pin on top and just put that pin into the hole to kind of create the back wheel of our Corporate Alliance tank droid. Now we've got these 3 kind of holes with a line across them in the front. Well, in the very front one, in the front part here, we're going to get a 3L bar, and this bar is like 1 bar length shorter than your lightsaber blade that you're used to. But we're going to put that through the front hole. And you're going to kind of make it even, but really you're going to adjust it once we get this next piece on, which was the 2x2 inverted radar dish. And we're going to put the radar dish so that the inverted part goes into the bar and against that TECHNIC lift arm. You're going to want a little piece of that bar sticking out. And we're going to do it to both sides. I've got another inverted radar dish, put it on the other side, and just kind of adjust those pins so they're even. And now you see it's not going to move, it's secure. Now, on the little part of those bars sticking out, we're going to get a minifigure hand. These are going to be the guns to our droid tank here. And what we do is, when you've got a minifigure hand, you get that kind of longer piece on top, where it's a little bigger. That's where like the top of the hand would be if it were still connected to the minifigure. That's going to go onto the bar and facing the inverted radar dish like this. And that way it kind of swoops out just a little bit for the guns. Otherwise they point in and it just doesn't look right. So we're going to do that to both sides. And then once we've got those on, we're going to kind of face them forward. And here we've got our finished Corporate Alliance tank droid ready to hunt down some clones.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.